up, guys? So I am going to be showing you how to do faux locks on, what would you call this, tapered cut? Medium taper cut hair. This is my mom's hair. Say hi. So yeah, you guys saw me do it on myself, but I went to do a detailed video so you can see how to do it on somebody else. So this is the hair we're going to be using. It is Bobby Boss New Locks. I'll have a link in the description box below so you guys can get this if you like it. But okay, so you're gonna take a tail comb. I like to use a rat tail comb because the end is really sharp, so your parting is super duper clean. So I'm not gonna force any hair that's not able to get in there. I'm gonna kind of just start plaiting where her hair will naturally plait. She can always go and shape up the back if she wants, or once the hair is down, because it's 18 inches, it's not really gonna matter. I'm gonna be using Shine and Jam like I always use. And I'll also be mixing it with this one right here. Okay, so now that I have the first row done, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up a few more rows, and then I'll come back while I'm doing the front and show you guys more detail. Okay, so we are done. You're so extra, mommy. This is why I like the individual, super versatile. Nice, you can catch it up. So if you want, you can take your scissors, any like fuzzy ends, just kind of trim it away. So it's all nice and clean. And I'm also gonna go ahead and grease her scalp using this oil.